When I talk about healing from the past experiences, I refer to those experiences that we underwent during our childhood. Mapito ambayo tulipitia tukiwa wachanga, ambayo yalichangia maumivu katika mioyo yetu, majeraha katika mioyo yetu. Mambo ambayo kila wakati tunayawaza na kuyafikiria katika akili zetu na kutuacha na mafikira ambayo yanatuelekeza na kutufikisha katika kiwango cha kujiuliza kwa nini Mungu aliacha tuyapitie haya. All these experiences during our childhood or as we grew up determine our present. It affects our present in one way or another. Sometimes I look at it and I say, it's not only those who underwent painful moments in life are experiencing traumas, stress, depression, resentments, but also some people who had precious life in the past are also affected in one way or another. And the present they are living can also determine their future. Someone is trying to ask me, sister, how can precious moments in the past affect us negatively in our present? Okay, well, let's talk about the painful moments, the painful experiences, and then we will come back to see how good moments in our past, precious moments in our past can affect our present.